Okay, hi. So, in this question, you need to sketch the phase diagram for X. Okay, so for phase diagram, what you need is axis, label, slope, either it is positive slope or negative slope, boiling point and melting point, and triple point and critical point. So you must have all these 5 character. Okay, so your friend, what he or she did the axis. Okay, correct. Label, no, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, so label no. Slope, positive slope, yes. Okay, and boiling and melting point, dia kena ada point, so you need to do this kind. Okay, titik ataupun cross. Okay, triple point and critical point sama juga, you kena ada point, and your friend dia cuma buat triple point sahaja, critical point tak ada, so tak ada. Okay, so kawan kamu dia cuma dapat 2 daripada 5 sahaja. Okay, so now what you should do is, okay, axis first, mesti ada axis, pressure and temperature. So since that the question give you in degree Celsius, so saya maintain degree Celsius. Okay, slope, first axis. Okay, settle axis, and then label. So you need to label solid, liquid and gas. So it will be here solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so next, after label, you kena ada slope. Okay, in this question it is positive slope. Okay, so I already draw the positive slope. And next, boiling and melting point. Okay, so boiling dia bagi kamu 20 degree Celsius, and triple point 18. So this one is 18 and 20 will be just beside the 80 degree Celsius. So, and you kena tahu bila dia melting point, dia ada between solid and liquid. Okay, so the melting point will be line equilibrium solid and liquid. For example, at here. Okay, so you kena ada label lah di sini, will be, okay, so you kena label di sini 20 degree Celsius and label di sini sebagai melting point. Okay, and next untuk boiling point given to you 300 degree Celsius, and boiling point is liquid to gas. Okay, so liquid to gas, so it will be somewhere, kalau di sini 20, it will be something like maybe here, kita just sketch only, so it's okay. So 300. Okay, so this is your melting point. Okay, so di sini adalah you punya boiling point, boiling point. Okay, and next untuk triple point given to you 18 degrees Celsius and 0.5 atm. So you kena label lah, di sini adalah kamu punya triple point. Okay, and next you ada lagi satu, which is you punya critical point. So, critical point adalah point yang paling tinggi kalau kamu nak lukis at the gas and liquid equilibrium lane. Okay. So, now kalau kamu nampak saya lukis ni, saya kena betulkan saya punya lukisan. Lukisan saya buat ni. Okay. So, saya kena buat dia bagi jadi lagi tinggi. Dia kena paling tinggi. Okay, di sini akan jadi kamu punya critical point. Okay. So, critical point adalah point yang paling tinggi. Okay. So, settle. So, yang ini adalah triple point, melting point, boiling point and you punya critical point. Okay. Semua point kena ada. Okay. So, kita check balik. Axis kita dah ada. Axis kita dah ada. This is your axis. Kena label. Okay. Slope kita dah ada. Positive slope. Boiling point and melting point ada. This is melting point and this is your boiling point. Kena bawa garisan ni juga ya. Yang ni pun kena bawa juga. Dia punya garis-garis putus-putus tu. And triple point soalan bagi. Okay, so ada juga kita label. And critical point also ada. Okay, so critical point kita buatlah garisan putus-putus tu. Sampai ke tak sampai? Okay. Okay, so this is our critical point. Okay. So, baru siap. Inilah namanya phase diagram. Okay, bye-bye.